Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on it and here let's scroll down in order to find the wallpaper section. Let's enter. And as you can see, immediately we've been transferred to the section with the wallpapers from which we can choose. We can change the categories right here. Here we've got some favorite ones and different like new or top ones. And basically it will be available if you've got the internet connection. Be aware about that. So if you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, all you have to do is to simply tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example. As you can see right here, we can check different options which are connected to this particular theme. So we've got the butterfly, obviously. And if you want to enlarge it, just tap on it and tap to preview. And as you can see, this is how it will look like on the on the full screen. And by swiping, you can also check different options. And basically, as you can see, you can zoom it in or out. It's up to you how you want to set it, how you want to have it placed. And if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. I don't want to use the carousel, so let me turn it off. And as you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied. What's more, I just wanted to... Alright, nothing. So let's go back, and as you can see, we've got the wallpaper successfully applied on the home screen. Let's check the lock screen also. We've got the wallpaper also applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.